everybody, we are back for more dancing with me, Karen Byrne. Some of you might know me from Dancing with the Stars. I am one of the professional dancers and I get to dance every single day. Imagine that being your job and you love it so much. Dancing can happen at home, so even if you have a tiny little bedroom, tiny kitchen, all you need is a small little space to do this dance. So get everybody up and have loads of fun. The dance this week that we're doing is the cha-cha-cha. It is one of my all-time favorites. I love everything about cha-cha. It's known as a little cheeky dance, so it's very, very smiley all the time, which I love smiling. It is loads of fun. There is a lot of technique, which means there's a lot to learn. So you have to really work on straightening your legs. So pointing the toes as much as you can. There's no lazy legs allowed in cha-cha, or jelly legs, no jelly legs. So it has to be super strong. And the positions with our arms have to be boom, hit the position. There's no lazy arms allowed or anything like that. So you have to really work hard from the very beginning to the very end of this dance. But I can assure you it is so much fun. So let's go. I am going to do a small little recap of what we done yesterday. So from the very beginning, remember our middle finger is down on both hands all the time when we dance the cha-cha. So when we move our arms, these are Latin, we call these Latin arms. So from the beginning we have step, step. Try when you do the step, step to do nice hips. So if you're watching from the side, hip, hip, yeah? Not just the feet. Has to be nice hips, nice hips. Cha-cha-cha, left, right. Cha-cha, moving the arms, very nice. Cha-cha-cha, moving the arms. Cha-cha-cha. Back step, again, very important when we step back to straighten that leg. Cha-cha-cha. Forward. Cha-cha-cha. Back, straighten the leg. Cha-cha-cha. Forward. Cha-cha-cha. Side. Now we're going to scoop and clap. Scoop, clap, scoop, clap, scoop and clap, scoop, clap. Okay, now we're going to do strong hips. Boom, boom, strong, 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 da, da. Nice. Now from here, we squat down and do a nice head, head, head. And remember, big smile, head, head. Very nice. So the next step is called the Cuban Break. So if you do watch Dancing with the Stars, I'm sure you've seen this step over and over and over, and now you're about to learn it. So we start with our feet apart, again, nice fingers, and we bring our left foot across. We do cross and step, cross and step. So first we get used to going across, side, right foot, across, side, side. So they're called double Cuban breaks. And what always follows a double Cuban break? It's always a single, which means one time. Single, side, single, side. Now what comes up in the words of the song, which makes it even easier, we do stop, head, head. And remember, so when we do the stop, I want you to sit in that hip. So imagine you're standing waiting on a bus. Come on, bus, you're in the hip. Boom, head, head. Okay, so again, from the beginning, we have, remember this leg keeps moving. 1 and 2 and 3 and side. 2 and 3 and 4 and side. Single, single, stop, head, head. Don't forget that hip as well. So you have hip, hip. Very good. So arms, when we do our Cuban break, we cannot forget about them. So arms are going to stay strong to the side. So you have 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2, side, stop, hip, hip. Okay, so now that we've learned our new steps, let's recap over at the very beginning. So we have step, step, cha-cha-cha, move the arms. Very nice, everyone, step. Cha-cha-cha, step. Cha-cha-cha, and back. 1, 2, 3, and forward. Cha-cha-cha, back. Cha-cha-cha, very nice. Side and scoop. 1, 2, 3, 4, hip, hip, back, back. Strong, strong, back, back. Now, Cuban breaks, this is our new bit. 2 and 3 and 4 and side. Step and step, step and step. Single, single, stop, head, head. And that is, for today, our new steps. So you have a load to practice, and I cannot wait to see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.